Good morning. My name is Yoelis Florez. The name of my recipe is arepas de ñame with chicken and costeño cheese. We need the following ingredients: 1 pound of fried ñame, previously cooked chicken broth, half a cup of shredded costeño cheese, oil, salt to taste, or you need the following utensils: skillet, spoon, medium cup, and skimmer. Steps for its preparation: in the cup, pour the fried ñame together with the chicken. With the spoon, knead until you have arched a homogeneous mixture. We put the arepas one by one and pass them through the cup of oatmeal to adhere to the dough. Preheat the pan over medium heat and add a small spoonful of oil. Okay. When the oil is hot, we introduce the arepa until it browns. It's okay, I wait. This is a simple recipe, but very nutritious recipe. We have a tuber, that is the ñame, oats, is the protein of the dish, and cheese is a derivative of milk, is a carbohydrate. Las arepas can be accompanied with a hot drink. I prefer panela water. After 5 minutes, remove the arepa and 2 arepas and sprinkle the cheese up top, and you can this fruit.